So, would you like a demonstration on how safe your microwave oven is? Here we have a RF meter with the 0 reading. We're 2 feet away. It's overloading the sensor. We're 10 feet away. 15 feet away. "20 feet away." Yeah, that's not exactly safe because low-level microwaves can cause significant damage to DNA, sperm, brain cells and such. But this is the same frequency that they use in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So if you're wondering about the dangers, I hope that answered a few questions.